Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Christian. Do you even know me anymore? Like, have I been uploading? No. Why? A lot of reasons. I'm not sure if this video is going to be a vlog or a tutorial, but I think we're gonna do a vlog because we have stuff to do. So I'm gonna be first showing you guys how I make my shea and cocoa body butter. Then we're gonna do my laundry, and then we're gonna clean my room. So let's get into the body butter. Also, thank you for 10,000 subscribers. Yay. Excited. Happy. Okay, so for the body butter, I have this raw African shea butter. I got this off of Etsy. It is great quality. So if you're looking for a white, I just prefer to use white shea butter now because I noticed that yellow just really stains. So I also like the texture of the white better. So I have white shea butter. The next thing that I have is cocoa butter. I also got this from Etsy, but this company has their own website as well, and it's very good quality. It smells just like chocolate. The next thing we have is my industrial bowl. I got this from IKEA. I think it was like $10, $11. It's great. Been using it for cooking, my business, and this skincare stuff that I do individually. And then next we have this pot with water in it, and we're gonna be doing the double broiler method, where you place the bowl that you're heating up on top of the pot instead of putting the butters in the microwave, which we know can mess with the quality. So the first thing I'm gonna do is turn on the stove, and we are going to get this water boiling. I'm gonna go ahead and sit this bowl on top, and I'm gonna put the shea butter and I'm gonna put the cocoa butter in the bowl. I'm also gonna add a couple of oils, probably moringa oil, and probably maybe sweet almond, because I noticed that if you don't put any oils, it's just gonna harden and it won't stay fluffy.
It's different when I'm sitting here alone all by myself. It's different when I think you might be with somebody. This shit.
But this is how the shea butter is looking. At this point, I'm gonna go ahead and add the cocoa butter before everything gets fully melted, because I really want them to infuse together. So
Something wrong with me. I like the way you screw your face. Trigger me right when I need it. You wrong, but I can't get on without you. It's a shame and I can't blame myself for loving you. You do it different.
It's different when I'm sitting here alone all by myself. It's different when I think you might be with somebody. This shit.
water like it's cool when you pull up with a and it's
It's different when I'm sitting here alone all by myself. It's different when I'm thinking might be with somebody. This shit.
Okay, so all of my butters and oils have melted at this point. So what I'm gonna do is just take the big industrial bowl off of the pot and I'm just gonna let it cool to room temperature. It's really important to not leave it here just forever because the steam can eventually get into the bowl and we don't want to mix oil and water because that's going to make it go bad faster. So you just take off the bowl and just let it sit and get to room temperature and let it harden on its own time.
And then we started, evidence we miss, and I'm more in love with you. Something wrong with me. I like the way you screw your face, trigger me right when I need it. You wrong, but I can't get away out.
So while we wait for the shea butter, cocoa butter, all the butters to harden, we are going to do my laundry. Quick story time about my laundry. So all of the laundry detergents that smell good make me itch. So I can't use Tide. Tide breaks me out into hives. So I found out about Arm & Hammer. And you know, Arm & Hammer, I think it's the fresh scent. It's the blue one. It was working for me. Like, it was working for me. But then I was like, what's even better than a fresh scent is no scent? So I started using Arm & Hammer unscented. It's like free and clear or something like that. And now every time I go to the store, I can't find it. So yesterday I did my laundry. I usually do my laundry on Saturdays. Yesterday was Thursday. I was like, let me just go ahead and do my laundry early. So like, you know, productivity. And I did my laundry and I did it with the fresh scent. And I've been literally using the unscented laundry detergent the entire time that I've been back at school. And so all of my clothes smell like fresh scent and it's kind of making me nauseous. So I'm gonna do a thing where I take out my clothes from the drawers and rewash all of them. Yeah, we're gonna be rewashing my clothes because it got to the point where all of my clothes were put away in the drawer and I was laying in my bed and I was just feeling sick. So we're gonna do that really quickly. Yeah, it's only 8 o'clock, so I'll probably be going to bed around my normal time, which is 11:30. And I just feel like I just don't have time to be dealing with the irritation this week when I'm busy and it's just too much for me. I kind of feel like you don't have to douse your laundry in all of these things. Like deodorant and a little bit of perfume is okay. So yeah, we're just gonna do that. I'm talking too much.
Did I ever ask you to take me shopping in Paris? Sailing overseas and just rape me in Gucci, no. Though I just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady.
I decided to get this lime essential oil, and it smells like sour Skittles, so I guess that was a nice purchase.
You ain't sure yet, but I'm for ya. All I could want, all I could wish for. Nights alone that we miss more, and days we save as souvenirs. There's no time, I wanna make more time.